Hello and welcome to section 7, and this is digitizing. So today we're going to look at digitizing administrative boundaries. So this will be part 1, and we'll continue with part 2 after we're done with part 1. So this video will be more lengthy, that's why I already splitted it into a part 1 and a part 2. So we're not going to mind. These boundaries have been changed now, but we just want to digitize. That's just what we are focused here. So those who know of the change should not think as if we didn't know. We're just using the image. This map was created in 1992. So yeah, so we're going to start digitizing now. So to digitize, you need to have your future class. So we already have a future class, state and LGA. So I have a video before now where we've learned how to create future class and all of that, so you can go backward and then come back to get acquaintance with what we are going to do now. So you right click here anytime you don't have any tools, and we're going to be using an editor tool. So mine is already ticked, so it means it's available here. So if you come up, you will see that I have an editor here. So make sure that your editor is out. Whenever you bring it, it will be somewhere like this. So you have to pick it and then drop it where you want it. All right. So you click from here and start editing, or you click on this state or this LGA and you click, then you come down to edit futures, then you will still start editing. So once the editor starts, you will need a tool called create futures. Some may not have it on this their catalog tree area. Here it is. So on your editor, you go like this. You will have the attribute whenever you want to fill in names, which I already have here. If you click on it, it's going to come and appear here. We have the create futures, which is another tool that you need while doing this. So I have them already here. So if I click like this, I'm going to see both the LGA and the state. So it's the state I'm interested in, so I'm going to click, and then I'm going to pick my polygon because that's what we're going to be using. Now the boundary is this. So anywhere you start, you make sure that you make a click, click, click. You're just drawing a line. For those who know how to use polygonal tool on Photoshop, it is the same way you're going to use it here. Just try to follow the center line. Now you zoom to your eyesight and you continue. Okay, so you zoom to your eyesight, making sure you are following the line as it should. Okay, so I'm going to fast forward this clicking, then I will return back. So once you've digitized around to this, now you see we've already reached this place. Now all you need to do is to right click and click on finish sketch. Now you will see that the entire of the work will show that it has already been digitized. So you click and save edit. Now it means it has been saved here. Now when you click next and say stop editing, it will just stop. That means this has already been saved. So this can now be used to edit. This can now be used to do other things. Alright, so basically this is how to digitize an administrative boundary. Don't go anywhere. This is just the beginning. I will be exposing some little key things that you need, and what are the ingredients you need to make your administrative boundary unique and stand out in the next and subsequent video. So please do well to watch this video carefully and watch the next video after it, and the next and the next. Alright, thank you for watching today. I will see you in the next class.